Hey guys, so today in section 8.2 we also learned to factor with difference of cubes. So that's what we're going to do right now with problem 22 from your homework assignment. So we have x to the third power minus 216 y to the third power. So in order to factor this, we're trying to write this as something cubed minus something else cubed. And what we always want to do first is check for a greatest common factor. In this case, there is no greatest common factor between these two terms, but we always want to check for that first. So writing the first term as something cubed, well, x cubed is just x cubed. And then 216 y cubed. So for that one, if we cube root 216, that will give us 6. And then y cubed, of course, is just going to be y. Okay, so now what we need to do is remind ourselves of our difference of cubes formula. So this is if we have something cubed minus something else cubed, then that is equal to, so that's a and b, so a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So that's our difference of cubes formula. So now we have to decide which thing is a. So in this case, x is a, and 6y is b. So now we're just going to plug in x and 6y anywhere we see a and b in this formula. So we're going to take x, since that's a, we're going to have x minus 6y for our first thing, a minus b. And then we have a squared, so x squared plus ab, so x times 6y, and then b squared, so that's going to be 6y squared. Now be careful to put these things in parentheses because we have to square the entire term. Okay, so now we just have to simplify. So we're going to go x minus 6y, that's already as simple as it gets. Then x to the second power is just going to stay as x squared. And then x times 6y is just going to be 6xy. There's nothing really different about this. We're just cleaning it up a little bit. And usually we want to have the coefficient in front. So that means we're going to take 6 and have it 6xy with the 6 first. Then for this term here, 6y all to the second power. We just have to distribute the squared. So this becomes 6 squared times y squared. And 6 squared is 36. So this is 36y squared. So here is our final answer. X minus 6y times x squared plus 6xy plus 36y squared.